If we won the war today, can we keep the land of Pakistan? Is it legal? Tonight, borders are burning, missiles slicing through the skies, the subcontinent standing at the edge of history. India is rising, stronger, fairer, and unafraid. But wait, a question bigger than war itself is burning in every Indian heart right now. If we capture Pakistan's land, can we keep it? Can we make it ours forever? The truth is no. But why not? Stay with me because now I'm going to tell you how and why we cannot keep the land just like that. Right now, India might be unstoppable. Surgical strikes, intelligence wins, air superiority. We are winning on every front. But remember, wars are not just fought with bullets, they are won with brains. After the dust settles, law steps in, and law doesn't play by emotions. Listen carefully. Capturing enemy land is equal to military occupation, not ownership. You can control it, but you don't own it. That's the harsh truth written deep in the world law. There are powerful laws that bind us. First, Geneva Conventions 1949. They protect civilians on occupied land. No mass shifting, that means no exploitation. Second, UN Charter 1945. No taking land by force. No changing borders with tanks and guns. Third, Hague Regulations 1907. Occupiers must maintain peace, not loot. If India captures land, we can only manage it. We cannot absorb it. Not legally, not under the world's watch. Annexation sounds tempting. Why not just declare this land as ours? But annexation by force is illegal. No UN recognition, no global support. Instead, what we face is harsh. UN sanctions, global boycott, economic punishment, and diplomatic isolation. We can learn from the earlier war lessons. Remember Israel took West Bank and Golan Heights in 1967, still facing disputes and pressure. Remember Russia? It grabbed Crimea, faced brutal sanctions. Remember Iraq? Invaded Kuwait, got crushed by global alliance. The world doesn't forgive forced land, it grabs, it punishes them. India's smarter path forward, let's discuss. India is not a looter nation. We are a civilization of law, dharma, and strength. Our best weapon is not just guns. It's our honor, our law, our global respect. Victory is not just about capturing cities, it's about standing taller than any enemy in the eyes of the world. Remember this simple formula: captured land equals to occupation. Ownership, on the other hand, means illegal if it is taken by force. Winning wars need brains, respect, not just territory. India fights with honor, not stolen lands. Now you decide. Should India protect its pride through power, protect its future with wisdom? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you want more powerful breakdowns, like this video, subscribe to the channel and share this truth with every proud Indian.